Are you ready to make the Eagle Shake, but the pumpkin version, pumpkin spice Eagle Shake? Over 24 grams of protein, amazing, all real food, no protein powder. Are you ready? Let's make it.
Here's what you're gonna need. Greek yogurt, pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice, water, banana, peanut butter, vanilla. Now let me show you how to make it. First, you're gonna get that Greek yogurt. Now, I like to use a non-fat version, an organic non-fat version, but certainly feel free to use what works for you. After you put that serving in, whatever a serving size is for your particular yogurt, go ahead and add 1 cup of water. Then 1 frozen banana, I love to freeze them, and you're gonna use half a cup of pumpkin puree. After that, I want you to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of fabulous, delicious, organic peanut butter, and then a teaspoon of vanilla adds just that little bit of flavor that I love, and then half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. You're gonna put all of that into your blender and you are going to blend it up, and it is going to come out so fabulous, I cannot even tell you. And the best part is it's all real food, no protein powder, and yet over 24 grams of protein. You simply cannot beat that. I wish more people would realize that you don't have to buy all these supplements to get in the right amount of protein with your shake. And if you want details below, or if you want me to send you these ingredients, link below as well. Now go ahead and enjoy that pumpkin spice protein shake.